Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs.
Here we have an Anca Motion servo drive sent to us by a welding company. These units are used in the Techni WaterJet system for cutting in machine shops all across the world. Servo drives like these are used in their systems as a safety monitor, and oftentimes fail due to overload from the sheer complexity of their work. We rebuilt and repaired the unit and then tested each of the inputs to make sure everything flowed smoothly, with some needing to be in the system to not show faults. ERD works on a wide range of units for a wide range of industries, so if you have any module in need of repair, call today for your quote.